Hey, how you doing, everybody? This is John, and we're going to be doing the setup for the solar address plaque by Everbilt. All right, so let's go ahead and check it out. So I've already went ahead and set up the stickers already, but I'm going to give you a quick rundown. Okay, so if you ever checked out my unboxing video for this on my YouTube channel and playlist, you're going to see that they gave you the templates and the stickers for the solar plaque. So let's just go ahead and I already put the stickers in. Now here's the template that they gave you. So you pretty much basically you put the template in just like that. Okay. Making sure it is as snug as possible. Okay. All right. Just wondering if the sticker part is going to be much more easier than getting the template in. Okay. Now, once you get the template in, as you can see, the stickers, you put the stickers in. Okay. And that makes sure, ensures that you can adequately, evenly space the stickers. I know that when some of you ever put the stickers, uh, for your address or for whatever, you're just trying to see for yourself if they're going to be evenly spaced. Well, this helps you out a lot. So once you put the stickers in, then you take the template out. And as you can see, they're evenly spaced and they look pretty good. So I just went ahead and I placed some random stickers in there just to give you an idea of what it's like. Also, I highly recommend that you keep the template and you also keep the stickers, okay, because these probably will tear apart, or you can use a template for something else, okay? And that's pretty much basically about it. Hey, thanks a lot for checking out this quick video. I really appreciate it. Be sure to check out my YouTube channel and playlist for the Everbilt solar address plaque for the manual video and the also for the unboxing. You guys have a great day. Bye.